Good morning, happy Sunday. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Mike Dancy. I also go by the name Mudguts, which is my license plate in case you see me around town. It's a beautiful Sunday. I want to do some Uber Eats today. It's around lunchtime here in Brampton, and I hope that we get a little bit lucky. If you have been wondering why I haven't made a video in a while, it's because my mom broke her shoulder, and I've been kind of on babysitting duty. Plus, it's been extremely cold, and I do have a full-time job. So, let's go out there and let's turn on this app and let's see what happens with this. I think it's going to be a pretty good day. Okay, 11:53. I'm in the heart of Brampton. Let's go online. Unable to go online. Action required. Already? Take a quick selfie. Oh my God. Ta-da! It's me. I think. I hope. Thanks for verifying. Oh, there's one right there. 2 minutes. Let's take it. It's literally right there at McDonald's. Okay, while we're here, if you do decide to sign up to become an Uber Eats driver, use my code. It's 28ECP. I would appreciate that. And I have a few other codes down below in the link in the description in case you want to sign up for DoorDash or skip the dishes. All right, let's go pick up this order. Okay, so I made this after I've done today's trips because I was doing the editing, and then all of a sudden I started looking at the video. And a lot of the files of one of my GoPros was corrupted, so I've had some issues with it. The other one, for some reason, the audio wasn't recording because I had a microphone plugged in, but it just wasn't picking up. So, sorry man, I've done the best I can, but today's video might be kind of crappy. Now that was a long wait. Holy crap, it was probably close to 10 minutes. And I probably could have canceled it, but I thought I'm not going to cancel my very first order and set off a cascade of shit. So now my only issue with this is that the drop-off is literally, I could probably walk it over. That's how close it is. I'm not saying that this person's lazy, but it's walking distance. Okay, let's get out of here. 1.9 kilometers away. Now, so 2 kilometers, what is it, 1.6 miles per kilometer? Is that how it works? So 3 miles, 20 minutes. How long does it take to walk a mile? 20 minutes? So I guess it's an hour, maybe just, well, can't be that long. I'm not gonna do math here. Let's just get the order done. Okay, order picked up, start delivery. Yeah, they're a little ways away, not too far. Okay, I'll hit the road as soon as this lady gets out of the way. And I may have to change cameras already. This GoPro Hero 7 has a horrible battery, even though I've updated the firmware to 1.7. All right, let's do this again.
Two bags.
2 bags? Well, I can carry one for sure. 2 bags for this order. And it took about 6 minutes, but I guess it's a little bit bigger. I'm not the end of the world. Okay, so start delivery on order. Where the hell does this guy live? Oh my God. He's another guy that's like walking distance. It's like, what the hell is wrong with these guys? He lives right behind the place. He could have hopped the fence and come here. Well, if he wants to pay for it, he's gonna pay for it. my battery's almost dead in that camera. So this is order number 3. I'm gonna aim to try and do 5 orders, or till the battery die, whatever happens first. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, order number 3 picked up. Let's go drop it off. I should have just walked it over. Maybe I should switch to a bicycle. Maybe I should switch to a bicycle. Okay, so we're in the elevator. We're going to room something on the 2nd floor. And let's see if they actually tip. Who knows? I don't know if tourists do this or not. Smells like swimming pool in here though. Look how wavy this floor is. For room 256. Hi, you ordered a fresh burrito? Room 256? Okay. Okay, so here's an interesting situation. I'm at the room where the guy said he's going to be. I knocked on the door. Guy came to the door and said, no, I didn't order the food. So, now what? Okay, so I went to the guy's room, knocked on the door. The guy through the door said he did not order this food. So I texted him like 3 or 4 times. I waited 5 minutes. I haven't got a response. I'm going to go down to the front desk and make sure that the person's name matches what's on the order. And then maybe I'll get free food. Never had this happen before. Hi. This is Clark, right?
It is, yeah.
Okay. Can I ask if we could check someone in a room just to make sure that the name you have matches the name I have? I don't need to know any ID, but is that the person you have in room 6? I tried contacting him and he said that he's not going to order the food, so. This is 256, right? Am I reading this wrong? Thanks. See you later.
Take care.
Well, free burritos for me. That's the first time that's ever happened. So that was order number 4 and it didn't pan out. I got a bag full of food. And I think I'm gonna call it a day there because I don't want to drive around with this food sitting outside. I'm just gonna go home and eat it. Get in my belly. I know that sounds horrible, doesn't it? That sounds horrible. But, you know, it's not my job to wait on these guys hand and foot apparently. Called the number, no answer. Texted the guy, no answer. Went to the front desk. And even the lady said, nope, that's not the name we have or the phone number. So either the guy entered the wrong information or the wrong address or something, but SOL. So I'm gonna call it a day. So basically that was 4 orders. I made math up here, $28 and something. I don't know if I'm gonna get paid for this order or not. Do I get paid for this order? Oh, I did get paid for that order. $38. I got paid like 10 bucks for some guy not showing up. Thanks, dude. That and a free meal. I really appreciate it. So, 1:43. So I did this for about 2 hours. Made almost 40 bucks. Didn't spend too much gas. Didn't really drive around too far. So I'm pretty happy with today as a whole. And let's call it a day. If you like these kind of videos, please leave a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, hit subscribe. And if you are going to sign up for Uber Eats, use my code 28ECP, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.